Let's see Purview in action. Here I'm on the home screen of Purview Data Catalog. This is where business analysts, data scientists come to find data to generate business insights. You can see that I've already scanned millions of assets across a bunch of sources. But how does Purview know about all these data assets? It all starts by creating the Purview data map. Now, this data map describes your data assets and relationships across your data estate. Building this data map is a highly manual process, and Purview automates that in a few clicks. So when I click register, you can see that we already support a bunch of sources like Power BI, on-prem sources like SQL Server, Teradata, Synapse Analytics, ERP sources, multi-cloud sources like S3. For this demo, I'm going to select my production data lake. So I'll select ADLS Gen 2 and quickly register that. Next, I'm going to enable data scanning. So here I'm going to keep all the files in my lake selected. Next, all the file types that I want to be scanned. Next, I'm going to enable automated data classification. Now, Purview provides native support for 200 plus out-of-the-box sensitive information types. These range from credit card to government IDs to location data. And these are the same sensitive information types that exist in M365 that have been extended to on-prem cloud and SaaS sources with Azure Purview. Next, I'm going to enable this scanning to run on a monthly cadence, and that's it. So within a few clicks and in less than 5 minutes, I have enabled automated data discovery and classification of my production data lake. Now let's start searching for data. Here I'm back in the data catalog, and I'm a data analyst who wants to determine the impact of a global marketing campaign across a full customer journey. I'm searching for a business term revenue, and I can see that the system is giving me suggestions and recommendations. I can see hundreds of results ranked by relevance, which I can further filter them down. So I'm going to filter it by a business term worldwide sales, and I can see that there is a Synapse Analytics table which looks interesting. So if I dive deeper into it, I can look at the entire operational metadata, the business terms, the hierarchy, and I can see that there are different types of PII data stamped onto the asset. I can go into the schema tab to look at the technical metadata and the lineage view to see that this table is being generated by trusted sources like SAP CRM. I can even look downstream to see that this is producing a Power BI dashboard, and I can switch to that dashboard as well to see this end-to-end lineage view. I can understand the sensitivity of data, the endorsement labels, and open this directly in Power BI as well. Now, this same search is also available in your Synapse Analytics workspace, where using this Purview-powered search, you can now search across Synapse workspaces and your entire hybrid data estate as well. So you saw that as a data analyst, how easy it is to discover information that exists in my hybrid data estate. Now let's switch gears. Here I'm a Chief Data Officer who can use the Insights section to get a bird's eye view of my data estate and understand how is the data distributed across different data sources. I can also use this classification insights to understand the sensitive data that exists across different sources in my data estate. I can start from these top level views and dive deeper into the actual data assets as well. So this was a quick walkthrough of how Azure Purview empowers you to effectively discover, understand, use, and govern your data assets. Thank you.